Good morning. So it's Saturday morning and here I am. I'm supposed to be working on my project, but we've got ministry this morning and then I have a pioneer meeting for like 3 hours. So my project that I didn't get anything done on yesterday because plants. So way back when, which actually there's another project of course I should be doing. They came to do our 1 year, which today's 1 year since we've been in our house. They came to do our 1 year and they won't repaint a different color than what, of course, that we got the house with. So needless to say, all of our nail pops and such were fixed, but yeah, I still need to do that. But in the middle of doing my other project, and I should be doing that project, yeah, look at all these babies. Like, they're wonderful, right? So, Master Gardener plant sale. Hold on, let me go outside. Okay, I'm outside. Everybody else is sleeping in there. So, oh my goodness, is it supposed to rain today? Okay, so Master Gardener Plant Sale is this amazing association where if you are, of course, able and willing to spend 4 hours a week volunteering, they will put you through extensive training, courses and such on gardening. It's really cool. And of course, they have this Master Gardener Plant Sale one time a year in Moxville, which I haven't been to in 5 years because we used to, of course, it's been 5 years since we lived in Lexington before we moved back, and it's actually raining, so I'm gonna get inside. I've actually started a garden area. Ooh. And it's raining. There's my sign. I am not going, well, yes, it's sprinkling too, but it's actually sprinkling rain, so I'm actually not going to be able to work on my garden bed this morning and put my soil down, even though I wanted to get that done before ministry. I'm actually going to go, I guess, join early morning ministry. So, yeah, that was my next project. I didn't mean to have another project, and I didn't mean to start another project before finishing my first one, which was the Outdoor Oasis, my barbecue island kitchen set. However, I have lots of projects, and I love my projects, so it's okay. Like, all is well. Like, Nick didn't freak out completely when I brought them all home. And I only spent $18 on the plants. Look, I have tomatoes and squash and rosemary and basil and several different types of tomatoes. I'm so excited. I mean, look, this whole, well, actually that was from my mother-in-law's funeral. She would be so proud of me because I haven't killed it, and it's actually, well, other than the one that's looking a little crazy there, it's doing really well. And these two are from my grandmother's, 3 actually, are from my grandmother's funeral. And that is what got me started with the indoor plants, of which sister gave me that. It's really pretty. And then I fell in love with succulents, and ultimately the Master Gardener Plant Sale is what got me thinking, these people are amazing. They volunteer their time, they learn about how to do things, and then they come and they share the love with you. Like, they grow this stuff, they are raising money for, I think it was Davie County High School, some type of association, and they give you all of these tips and tricks, and they make you think that you can do anything, and like, you can actually keep these things alive, in which this time I think I can, which I thought I could every time. But I will this time, okay? So when it's all said and done, I will show you what how it turns out. However, yeah, I got to show you how I'm going to do my piping and stuff to support my tomatoes, and I'll end up showing you what all is going to go on outside in my little Outdoor Oasis area, and hopefully within the next 2 months it'll be done. Have a great day, guys.